Union Minister Dr. Jitendra has informed Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Sanajaoba Leishemba that Ministry of Earth Sciences has undertaken major expansion of Doppler Weather Radar (DWR) infrastructure across Northeast under Mission Mausam with Imphal along the locations identified for installation of new X-band DWR. The information was shared in response to a matter of urgent public importance raised by the MP in the Rajya Sabha on March 30th regarding need for more Doppler weather radars in the region. Acknowledging Northeast's complex terrain and vulnerability to extreme weather events, the ministry stated that strengthening Met infrastructure in the region has been accorded high priority through India Met Department IMD. At present, 4 DWRs are operational in the Northeast at Agartala, Mohanbari, Sora and Jorhat, with Jorhat radar commissioned in January 2026. The ministry said 9 additional X-band DWRs are planned at Belonia, Tejpur, Silchar, Imphal, Aizawl, Dimapur, Namsai, Western Arunachal Pradesh and Gosaigon, along with 1 C-band DWR at Guwahati. Most of the projects are reportedly at advanced stages and are expected to be commissioned soon. The ministry further informed that advanced systems such as wind profilers and microwave radiometers are also planned to strengthen upper air observations and improve nowcasting, forecasting accuracy and early warning capabilities for floods, landslides, thunderstorms and other climate-induced hazards in the region.